Hi, I'm Eric, host of the Animal Planet show, Who Let the Dogs Out? Let's face it, we love our dogs, but we don't really love behaviors such as incessant barking, not coming when called, pulling on the leash, or jumping, among many others. We want our fur babies to be well behaved so we can take them everywhere, because they are family. If you tried other training methods and have yet to correct these behaviors, I invite you to register for the Canine Training Institute's free online workshop today. It's the only program that helps you to train your dog using the same secret techniques used by the service dog training industry. In just a few weeks, you and your dog can go from barking to no barking, from pulling to no pulling, and from jumping to no jumping. Our program is led by Dr. Alexa Diaz, who holds a PhD in animal behavior and has over 20 years of experience training service dogs. It's guaranteed to work with different breeds and both young puppies and adult dogs.
It's a proper, well thought out program which actually gets you the results. All of the 6 steps working together meant that by the end of it, you've got a fantastically trained dog.
Harley almost acts as a service dog now. He's less excitable, very calm, and he really takes my leadership.
Attend our free on-demand workshop on our website and learn how to fix problems like housebreaking, barking at the door, not coming when called, pulling on the leash, biting, jumping on people, and many other behavioral issues. If you would like to unveil your dog's potential, you owe it to them to sign up to our absolutely free workshop and learn how you can help them become as well behaved as a service dog. Use the button on your screen to sign up right now.